YouTube, your path to making money. Want to earn money doing what you love? YouTube is the answer. Millions of people watch YouTube videos every day. You can share your passion, grow a community, and make money. It's a win-win. Whether you're a gamer, a makeup guru, or a tech whiz, YouTube lets you reach a global audience. It's your chance to turn your hobby into a source of income. Think of it like this. You create awesome videos, people watch them, and you get paid. But how does it work? It all starts with setting up your YouTube channel the right way. Once you've built a following, you can start earning. Exciting, right? Let's dive into the world of YouTube monetization and turn your dream into reality. Build your channel. A step-by-step guide. First things first, you need a YouTube channel. Don't worry, it's easy. Just follow these simple steps. 1. Sign into YouTube using your Google account. Don't have one? Create one for free. 2. Create your channel by clicking on your profile picture and selecting Create a Channel. 3. Choose a name. Pick something catchy and memorable that reflects your content. 4. Add a profile picture and banner image to make your channel visually appealing. 5. Write a channel description. Tell people what your channel is all about. Congratulations, your channel is live. Now it's time to fill it with amazing content that will keep viewers coming back for more. Grab attention. Make videos. People love. Content is king on YouTube. To make money, you need videos that people want to watch. Choose a niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Make videos about topics you love, and your enthusiasm will shine through. Keep it short and sweet. People have short attention spans. Keep your videos concise and engaging. Use eye-catching visuals. High-quality videos with good lighting and editing are more appealing to viewers. Most importantly, be yourself. Let your personality shine through and connect with your audience on a personal level. Section 4. YouTube Partner Program, your golden ticket. The YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, is your gateway to monetization. Once you're part of YPP, you can earn money from ads on your videos. Here's how to join. 1. 1,000 subscribers. Grow your community and get people to subscribe to your channel. 2. 4,000 valid watch hours. Get people watching your content. It's all about engagement. 3. Adherence to YouTube's monetization policies. Make sure your content follows YouTube's rules. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for YPP. YouTube will review your channel, and if you're approved, you can start earning. Section 5. Make money from your videos, ads, memberships, and more. Congratulations, you're in the YouTube Partner Program. Now, let's explore the different ways you can monetize your channel ads. Earn money by displaying ads on your videos. Channel memberships. Offer exclusive perks to your loyal fans in exchange for a monthly fee. Merchandise shelf. Sell your own branded merchandise directly through your channel. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Keep creating amazing content, engaging with your viewers, and promoting your channel. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your passion for YouTube into a profitable venture.